Music is liquid architecture and architecture is frozen music. Once upon a time, there lived a group of people bonded to each other through their fondness of an instrument in a land which was forgetting the memories of tunes of the simple yet surreal device, the mouth organ.
So, do you think there's a need for
any rainy season or anything there?
yeah,
Right.
and it becomes a permanent musical pavilion for people to know attraction the
Yes,
entire.
you can entertain people who are coming from walking and all that. They like it. Music, everybody likes.
Yeah. It will also spread awareness about other musicians to take interest and
Yes,
join.
that will again, some inspiration will be there. So people come, and even who are singers, they will again come and sing. A sort of inspiration. Some shelter is there.
To people who come just to get away from the monotones of the life, from musicians to exercise freaks, a design inspired from a single type of user developed to a structure for every variety of users visiting the park. Our construction procedures consisted of placement of sleek and lightweight looking load-bearing elements, alternative footing solutions, welding and treatment of metal scraps, appraising the structure's skeleton, using mesh wires as reinforcements for the roof, pavements of smooth-faced stones arranged aesthetically, in a symmetric order, providing strength at a substructural level, using the supplies for a handy installation of the wall, vibrant and stimulating colors for the aesthetics, interactive acoustic elements, waterproofing incorporating plastic products like MDF boards. Without interrupting the environment and the habitat of the site, we sought out to embrace the existing features of our design, aiming to create handcrafted and interactive, simple yet tasteful furniture, while attempting to fulfill the brief which asked for exciting spaces with pre-used, discarded or waste materials. Our design evolved in context to the materials we found around the site. In an overall essence, it became form follows material.
You awaken and arise. Stop not, till your goal is achieved. Huh? So there are many people we meet in our life, but some will make lasting impression on our minds and heart. It is these people we'll remember very often. They are good and faithful friends. तुम ऐसा करके चले कि सारा जमाना याद करे।